In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi driver missing in Windows 11. First, check your device manager. Press Windows plus X, then choose Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. If you don't see a Wi-Fi adapter, the driver is missing. If there's a yellow triangle, the driver is corrupted. Also, you can restart your PC. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Restart and check if Wi-Fi shows up. Now, you can also try to run the network troubleshooter. Go to settings, then system, and go to troubleshoot, then other troubleshooters. Run network adapter troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions. And lastly, check for Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Windows often includes driver updates here. And that's it. That's how to fix Wi-Fi driver missing in Windows 11.